GM guys, it's good to be here once again to analyze the Bitcoin chart and to take a trade today on Bitcoin. Yes, I've done. For next, I've done a video. I've tried to record a video and then not knowing that I didn't connect my mic to the system, so I have to do it again now, even though I've already uploaded the video. All right, so let's go, guys. Let's go to today's analysis on Bitcoin. What we should expect, the reason why we took the shots, and what are we looking at. Are we looking at continuation to the downside, or are we looking to take a long trade? These are what we are going to be discussing today. All right, starting with my daily routine, marking out my key zones. Now I've already done that already. You can see I've marked out my daily levels, which I did in the previous video, and so I didn't have to delete this. So this, we have a key daily level around 74,877. We have another one around 72,726 acting as resistance. Then we have one around here, around the 70,000. Let me get that. This is 9,802 acting as support currently, and then we have another one at what is it called? 68,808. All right, and that's it. So these are the zones we are looking to trade off of if we get a reaction today. So some persons might just decide to take long here, which might play out, but that is not the only thing we look at while taking our trade. So moving to the 4-hour time frame. All right, so I want to show you guys the reasons why the conferences are aligned together, that give us that give us a decision on why we took that short trade. So what I'm doing, I'm just zooming in now so we can have that. So first tool that I used is the what is it called? Sorry. First tool that I use is the fib based extension tool. That's the trend based fib extension tool. All right. So this is how to use it. You take it for the downside. Take it from the low, then to this recent high here. Okay. So this high, not recent high. Sorry. To this high here. So this very high here of this move, then to the very low of this range. All right, so I would like to draw this down. Okay, so I want it to be more accurate. Okay, good. I think it's more accurate like this. Then let's see this. If this one can be more good. Good. All right, so what else? Okay, now we've seen that we have it at 75,299, aligning at 75,299. That's good. Then we are also going to use another tool called the downtrend anchored VWAP. So the downtrend anchored VWAP is also here. This is the anchored VWAP. So it's called downtrend because we are looking for it to look for a movement to the downside. So here, you click on this very high, this swing high here, then it moves. You can see this is the anchored VWAP. So the reason why it's below this, not aligning with this our conference, is because my price has moved down. So the more price move down, the more the anchored VWAP keep moving down towards price. You get that, right? So so it was actually aligning with this one-to-one extension tool. So this tool is the one. This tool is the fib extension tool, or this key fib zone is called the one-to-one extension level. So we have it here, aligning here, and then the anchor VWAP also aligning and on the 4 hours, which we are currently at, there is a lot of liquidity here. A breakout, a breakout of this zone. We take out the tailor stop losses currently at this zone, then took that short. So on the daily time frame, you go to daily time frame. There is, look at this 2 week. You have this week zone, right? You can also put your entry just at this week. All right, it's aligned perfectly with that week. If you look at the daily too, you will see that it aligns perfectly with the week on the daily. Let me just zoom this. Hold on, guys. Okay, okay. You see that it's aligned perfectly with this week. You can see this week here, right? It's aligned with this week here, this week here. You understand? Aligned. So I can just put your entry here. But for me, what I did yesterday, I dropped the signal that I'm already in a trade, and I give an entry which was not it. So what I did yesterday, after dropping a signal, I entered. Then yesterday morning, uh, I saw the confirmation after this 4 hour close. Then I take a strong shot. All right, add more margin to my margin. Then we add the breakdown to the downside. Then we print well on this trade. All right, so that explains the reason why we took this shot. All right, alternating, we are trying to trade the you think the way these guys think, these market makers think. We don't treat like a retailer, because if you think like a retailer, you always be the liquidity. So we want to just think like them and follow their footprints. All right, they took out the liquidity. We patiently wait for a clear weakness, then we take the trade. All right. So if you notice, I was posting that this 4 hour close will give us a clear sign. Yeah, it's very much important to our dollar. I was using that just to make jokes on our Telegram channel. So it didn't close well. All right, it didn't close well. Reasons why I decided not to actually add to my position on that short term thing. We had we make some profit, but some of us did not really actually take profits. You understand? Because we are taking that risk. But now we actually took profit now. What is yeah, so what are we looking at next? What are we looking at next? Yes, so yesterday I was looking at a bounce from this zone because it was aligning with the what is it called, with the value area high of this range, which I'm going to show you now. So the tools, I've mentioned of this during one of our live section, the tools used for range is called the fixed range volume profile. So you take it from the current price here right down to the start of the range. All right, so what do we have? So yesterday we have price reacting off. We had price reacting off. Oh, sorry, let me make sure. We had price reacting off the value area I. All right, you can see price reacting off the value area. So I'm expecting. So we have two. So we had two scenario of what to happen and what will prompt our decision. All right. So this is the value area I. This is the point of control. This red zone line is point of control. Then this is the value area low. So what we're expecting is actually a price to hold above the value area low, and if we add a close below it, then we'll be looking to take a shot and looking forward for a rotation to the value area low at $66,000. So that's what I'm looking at now. So before going through with that, I would like to draw our fib retracement tool from this low to this high. All right, so what do we have here? We have currently price reacting off the golden pocket. You can see as price came into the program, we have a rejection. So what I'm expecting now is this. I'm going to show you guys what I'm expecting when it comes to Bitcoin. Okay, so I believe you can see my chart. So this is what I'm expecting, to be honest with you guys. This is what I'm expecting. So I'm expecting a movement to the upside like this. All right, then like this is what I'm expecting now. All right, this my thought process right now. My highest was probability trade right now, because we've had a close below the value area high. So I expect that we move to the upside a little bit, then reject. Um, yes, so we can also do something by actually can do something by using the uptrend anchored VWAP to check something. So let's use the anchored VWAP, uptrend anchored VWAP. Yeah, so we got that now. So let's see where it aligns with. So on the way down, we might not just witness a movement to downside straight without a rejection. So we might still have a movement into the this golden pocket zone aligning with the anchored VWAP. Then probably movement into this zone might still expect a little bit of rejection before that movement to the downside, or a movement to this zone, then a massive movement to the upside. It's also possible. So when you're taking that shot, also learn to take profit along the way down. All right. So I think that's all. That was all. Guys, do well to like and subscribe to our channel. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, join our Telegram channel, follow me on Twitter, X. All right. Use our BingX accounts. Yeah, register with our BingX, our trading exchange. As BingX. The code is XOYMQ9. You can actually go to the Telegram channel and use the link there to register. Yes, this is a little way you can use to support us so that we can encourage us to keep giving you these updates daily. Yeah, so we also be having our speaks by 2:30. Do well to join us at X for